we would like to introduce our Multi-Peak Glamping Safari Tent. Its dimensions, roof shape, height, and sidewalls are all fully customizable. This tent, one of our Safari series, whose main frame is aluminum alloy frame, can pair with a tension membrane fabric roof that extends seamlessly from the roof to the ground. The tent can be customized for exclusive styles events, from the fabric color matching, peak heights, and sidewalls types can all be tailored as required. Its modular structural design will make the installation process highly efficient and time-saving. It can not only be used to a wide variety of venues, without being restricted by topography. Also, one single-day setup to make a 50 to 100 guests event venue. The double peak roof cover design with 1 meter height difference, creating a unique and novel design. It makes an immersive and captivating atmosphere for the event. It is perfectly suited for a diverse range of scenarios, from outdoor afternoon tea gatherings and specialty dining experiences to trendy parties, ensuring an unforgettable visual impact that captivates guests at first glance. More tent crafting, comprehensive, professional event space solutions tailored just for you.